Hi there, this is Trent from Packet DIY, and today I'm going to be showing you the mobile translation feature inside of Packet DIY. And really quick, if you don't know, Packet DIY is the online web tool that I made initially for my fiance and I to build our K-1 Visa packet together. It's kind of a nice collaborative space. But as our packet building process went on, I ended up adding a couple tools here, a couple tools there, and eventually I have Packet DIY. So let's go to the mobile translations tool. It's going to be inside of your Visa packet. Go inside of here, inside of your packet tools, and then mobile translations. So what you'll do here is upload screenshots of messages, it could be WhatsApp, iMessage, Instagram, Facebook, whatever, and translate them. And Packet DIY will generate a nice exported PDF with the initial screenshot on the left and the translation on the right. And this is what me and my fiance did for ourselves, and then took it to a translator to have them certify it. Thought that was a lot cheaper than having them actually transcribe it by hand or however they do it, and it looks really professional in my opinion. So let's go ahead and upload a message. So I have a WhatsApp message right here we're going to use. And so there's two ways that you can go about this. One is a very manual way. You can actually translate this by hand or have your translator translate it by hand or by typing. So, for instance, this message, cuando llegamos a casa, when we get home, blah, blah, blah. And I can see it's on the left-hand side, so I don't need to change which side it's on, and it's not replying to anything. It's not an audio transcript. Um, and this message, it's not a iMessage, it is a WhatsApp message. And so let's go ahead and see what this would look like. Export to PDF real quick. See, I did this a couple times. Um, so yeah, so you see here, we didn't have to use any AI, but there is an AI tool. So let's actually go back and do that now because I feel like this really speeds up the process. So right here, you can see AI Analyze. We can go ahead and click that. And if you do that, it will get rid of whatever you've typed. So if you are going to use AI Analyze, I recommend doing it first and then later coming back and touching up the AI. So um, cuando llegamos a casa, when we get home, and talk to you about something important. And okay, so let's look at this next message on the right hand side. Good. Uh, ooh, we can see here it made a little boo-boo, a little mistake. So this is one of the things you need to watch out for when using the AI feature. AI does make mistakes. But we can see that here, this should have been the reply to. Oh, look, it has that message. It's okay, my love. So we'll actually just copy this, put this down here, and get rid of this whole bubble. All right, so that bubble's gone. Uh, you shouldn't have. Yep, it's on the right hand side, left hand side. Sorry, on the right. All right, it's looking good. All right, so let's go ahead and export to PDF. And now we have our full message right here. Very easy to read. The side by side translation. I feel like this is really nice to give to the officers because they have the original evidence, the message here, and the transcription of it, so they can verify themselves that you're not hiding anything. Also, this makes it very easy for a translator to verify too. The messages being right beside each other. I feel like it's the best of both worlds, and it looks relatively professional. So let's go ahead and add another message so we can see what a full page looks like. Open. And yep, it's going to be down here. AI Analyze. Then we'll switch up the themes, and that will be it. All right, let's make sure this looks good. Just made it, of course. Hope, okay, yep, everything's looking fine. So let's just go ahead and trust it. Um, oh yeah, and notice it's iMessage. Perfect. So we're going to head and we're actually going to change the theme too, so you can see that you can change the theme depending on whatever the main theme of your packet is. All comes out looking pretty nice. You can see here, this is the professional blue business theme. So the left-hand side are message still, and then the iMessage. Everything's pretty one-to-one. Yeah, so If you feel like this could be helpful for you, feel free to give Packet DIY a try.